Praise the Lord. Are you a person who struggles with being comfortable in being on camera? Well, in this video, I want to share 5 tips with you that's going to help you to build your confidence in being on camera. And we're starting right now. Hi, my name is Walter Strong, the host of The Huddle, where we share helpful tips to help working class content creators like yourself to grow your channel, get more views, and make money online. Being on YouTube for the first time and recording videos can be very awkward, cause you to feel uncomfortable, and even sometimes cause you to be fearful to press record and upload your first video. However, over time, through practice and repetition, and getting in front of the camera and pressing record will help you to get more comfortable and calm your nerves to be on camera. And so here are 5 tips that I want to share with you. Tip number 1, embrace the awkwardness. Don't run from it. Don't cause it to cause you to be fearful and not press record, but embrace the awkwardness. Through time, you're going to get comfortable in being on camera because you have a message you want to share with an audience. You have a story that you want to share with your audience. You have skills and talents that you want to share that's going to help empower and educate someone to improve the quality of their life. And the only way you're going to be able to do that is embrace the awkwardness of being on camera. And over time, you will get comfortable in being on camera. Tip number 2, make eye contact with the lens of the camera. Now, when most people are on their mobile device and they are recording videos, they typically do it from the selfie side of the camera where they can see themselves. But what will happen is you start to get into recording videos online, you can end up becoming your biggest distraction because you see yourself in what you're doing on camera, how you're looking on camera, and what you're saying on camera. And it can be a distraction and a discouragement to you. However, if you turn the camera around to the lens of the camera, that way you can't see yourself and you focus on the lens of the camera, you're going to make eye contact with your viewers as if you're talking to some of your friends at a coffee shop, having your favorite cup of coffee, just having a good conversation with them. And so make eye contact with the lens of the camera. Tip number 3, sometimes you may have to use a script that you write out from the introduction of your video to your opening hook, to your 3 important points, to your summary, to your call to action will help you to be able to stay focused and not get distracted and become comfortable while you're on camera. Even using a bullet point format where you freestyle and you flow while you're on the camera is another good way. However you choose to write out your script, use it as a tool to help you to become comfortable and being confident on camera. Tip number 4, repetition helps build your confidence on camera. The more you're repetitious and being on camera and pressing record and uploading videos, you're going to get more comfortable at it. You're going to give yourself grace when you make mistakes on camera. And as you go through the process, you'll get more confident in being on camera because you're being repetition. I always share with a new content creator who's struggling with being confident on camera. When you get text messages from some of your closest friends, instead of replying back in the text, use your phone, turn the lens of the camera so that way you're not in selfie mode, and record a video message for 15 to 30 seconds and practice being comfortable on camera while sharing your text message in a video form to those you need to respond back. And through repetition, you'll get more comfortable. And repetition will help you to be confident on camera. And then finally, you want to have fun and be yourself on camera. As you have fun being on camera and be yourself, you won't cause yourself to fall into the trap of watching other YouTubers that you admire and you start to mimic and copy their style of how they be on camera. And as a result, when you get on camera, it's going to come across you trying to be someone else, and it's going to make you feel awkward. It's going to make you feel weird, and your audience is not going to be able to connect with you. But if you're having fun, even if you're making mistakes, even if you're being yourself and you're not being boring, but you're coming with a level of energy on the camera, you're going to connect with your audience. You're going to be able to share a message or a story that's going to answer specific questions that viewers are searching for on YouTube. You're going to address pain points in people's lives that's going to help to improve the quality of their life. You simply need to just have fun and be yourself, be authentic, be real on camera. And so the question that I have for you, my fellow creator, is this: which of these 5 tips that I've shared with you that you need to start implementing and being a part of your content creation process? Let me know in the comments section. And if this video's added value to you, do me a favor. Click the like button, which is the thumbs up. Share this on your favorite social media platform. And subscribe to the Huddle, where we help working class content creators like yourself to grow your channel, get more views, and make money online. YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. So with each video that you record and upload to YouTube, do it with the purpose of adding value to your viewers. Hey, check out this next video that YouTube wants to show you, or I'll see you in the next video.